Looking for a home, need someone who cares. Tijuana's the realtor who's always there.
This is the Roanoke model home built by Eastwood Homes in the Harmony subdivision. Okay, so here is your formal dining room. Across from it, you have an office. And what's unique about this office is that it has a huge storage space that goes all the way around. Look at that. This is in the office. Through the dining room, you have the butler's pantry. And you have this nice size pantry. It's not a walk-in, but it's still nice. Nice and spacious. Kitchen with your gas cooktop. Farmhouse style sink. Very nice island. All types of space in here. I love this. Okay. Your informal dining area that overlooks the backyard. And then you have a sunroom. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, nice and spacious. Just give you a nice view of it. Back here is a guest suite that's attached to a bathroom. Nice and spacious. I love the fact that it's tucked in the back, so your guests can have and feel some privacy. Right here is that famous drop zone. So we're gonna go up the stairs. The upstairs is kind of like a maze, but I love it. So as soon as you come upstairs, you have this open loft area. Then here we have the primary bedroom. Double door entry. You have closet number 1. You have your primary bathroom, soak-in shower tub, very nice shower, separate water closet, and you have dual sinks. And then you have closet number 2. You have the laundry that is right off of the primary suite for extra convenience. Then over here, you have another bedroom that is connected to the bathroom. And this too has a walk-in closet. Here's the bathroom. You have another bedroom here. With a walk-in closet. This bedroom has a bathroom connected to it, which is also connected to another bedroom, making this a Jack and Jill setup. Walk-in closet to this bedroom. Very nice home. It's not your average floor plan. The Harmony community has homeowners association dues of $100 per month. And those dues cover, of course, the common areas. It covers the pool. It covers a playground for the children. And are there any other amenities that she mentioned? No, right? Okay. But overall, beautiful, beautiful, quiet community, beautiful homes, upscale homes. So if you're interested in this home, please give me a call back, 704-777-1793. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let us know.
Tijuana.